second of rain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Homework Genius. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to divide complex numbers. In order to divide complex numbers, you need to rationalize the denominator. And how you would do that is multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the complex conjugate. So if we have a complex number, which is defined as a plus bi, its complex conjugate would be a minus bi. So if you were to multiply a plus bi times a minus bi, you would get a squared plus b squared. And that's the formula we will use. So let me show you how that would work. If you have a plus bi and you are told to divide by c plus di, you would have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. So in this case, our complex conjugate is c minus di. So let's multiply the top and bottom times c minus di. So on the top, to multiply a plus bi times c minus di, you would have to follow the formula on how to multiply complex conjugates. So if you don't know how to do that, check out my other video on how to multiply conjugates. So in this case, we'll have a times c plus b times d plus b times c minus a times d, all times I, over, and in the denominator, following the formula I wrote above, you're just going to have c squared plus d squared. Let's go ahead and try an example. In this problem, we are given 3 plus 5i divided by 1 minus 2i. So in this case, the complex conjugate would be 1 plus 2i. So let's multiply the top and bottom by 1 plus 2i. So to multiply 3 plus 5i times 1 plus 2i, we would multiply the first terms, 3 times 1, minus the second terms, 5 times 2, plus, and now multiply the opposite terms, so 5 times 1 plus 3 times 2, all times I. And in the denominator, 1 minus 2i times 1 plus 2i, following the formula, would just be the first term squared plus the second term squared. So in this case, it's just 1 squared plus 2 squared. Let's go ahead and reduce. So 3 times 1 is 3, minus 5 times 2 is 10, plus 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 times 2 is 6, all times I, over 1 squared is 1, plus 2 squared is 4. So let's reduce some more. 3 minus 10 is negative 7, plus 5 plus 6 is 11 times I, over 1 plus 4 is 5. And that is your solution. You can also separate those fractions and write your solution as negative 7 over 5 plus 11 over 5i. Here's the full problem so you can screenshot it for your notes. I hope this video helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.